Don't forget to subscribe.
Let's start. We need to prepare 4 medium bananas and then smash the bananas. It's done. Then set aside 2 large eggs. 1 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we need 3/4 cup of white sugar and 3/4 brown sugar. Mix together. Add the 2 large beaten eggs and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Much better if it's banana flavor.
Okay, 1/2 cup evaporated milk.
And 1/2 cup vegetable or canola oil. For your toppings, you can add like this, a slice circle bananas, or you can put some chocolate chips or raisins and peanuts, but that's optional. Just check the description box below for the complete list of ingredients. Bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Happy eating! Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos of CJ's Home. Keep safe!